What is the difference between a Rocky Mountain C-stand versus a turtle-based C-stand?
I like turtles.
Hey guys, Jared from Pro Photo Rental here. The bottom line is that the stands will both do basically the same thing, but there are some differences. On a turtle-based stand, the center column is removable. You can take that out and replace it with a shorter column, or if you need to mount a light really low, you can put an adapter in there and have a light right down next to the floor. Behold, a turtle. Because those two things are separable, you can travel with it easier. It packs down a lot smaller, thus making the turtle really versatile if you need one stand to do multiple things for different shoots. You do want to be careful about one thing on a turtle stand. You never want to be holding it up like this and release this while it's in the air. You might. Now let's talk about the Rocky Mountain stand. It actually lives up to its name. There's a leg which is adjustable relative to the other two. And this leg can go up the stand for different heights on surfaces, such as if you're outside or near stairs, or if you need to put a light in a corner. You've got the opportunity to do so to get that leg out of the way, but still keep it stable. If you still have questions about it, give us a call, stop by the shop. We'll be happy to take care of you.